ಮುಂಬಯಿಯ ಪುವಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಿನ ಆರ್.ಎನ್. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಒಳಾಂಗಣ ಸಭಾಗೃಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಟ ಸಂಘ ಮುಂಬೈ ಸಂಚಾಲಿತ ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ರಜತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಜುಲೈ 30ರ ಶನಿವಾರ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಈ ರಜತೋತ್ಸವ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಮುಂಬೈ ಮತ್ತು ಉಪನಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಅಂತರ್ಶಾಲಾ ಭಾಷಣ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಬಿ.ಆರ್. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾನ್ವಿತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ, ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಾ ಫರ್ನಾಂಡಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರ್ಲೆಟ್ ಫರ್ನಾಂಡಸ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿ 1.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿಯ ಚೆಕ್ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮವರ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸಲು ವಾಗ್ಮಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯು ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಸಿಬಿಎಸ್ಇ, ಐಸಿಎಸ್ಇ ಮತ್ತು ಕೇಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಂಡಳಿಗಳ ಮುಂಬೈ ಉಪನಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿನ ಸುಮಾರು 75ಕ್ಕೂ ಅಧಿಕ ಶಾಲೆಗಳ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಉಪ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರುಗಳಾದ ರತ್ನಾಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಳ್ಕೂರು ಮತ್ತು ವಸಂತ್ ಎನ್. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಪಲಿಮಾರು, ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಸಿ.ಎಸ್. ಉತ್ತಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಕೋಶಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಸಿ.ಎ. ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಸಂಚಾಲಕ ಸಿ.ಎ. ಹರೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮನೋಹರ್ ಎಸ್. ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ, ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ನಿತೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಕರ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿ ವೃತ್ತನಿರತ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶ, ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಕರ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿ ವೃತ್ತಿನಿರತ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ ನ್ಯಾಯವಾದಿ ಬಿ.ಬಿ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ, ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಶಾಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲೆ ಸೀಮಾ, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಪ್ರಬಂಧಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾದ ರೀನಾ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಷ್ಮಾ ರಾವ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿ ವಂದಿಸಿದರು.
But question still remains. What if the internet actually breaks down one day? Maybe even permanently. I can proudly say I am prepared for the eventuality. Are you? Have you ever tried to live without the...
What would happen if today we were out of it? This question is hard to answer by help us to move smoothly and to discipline. Everyone doing the work with all interest is discipline. Thank you. And I would like to say that I follow one thing in my life. That in any way, if we have any work in this way
and inspire others. What I also realized was that women are not victims. They are survivors. They change their faces.
Was followed by endless days of misery, self-doubt. My family was questioned. I was questioned. I had nowhere to go. It's been 2 years now. I had developed stamina. I used to stammer, but at the same time I love teaching. I love teaching.
Strong make the skin. The strongest skin make the best will. But the strongest challenge is break the lead. Today I am going to talk about our leadership qualities, our leadership skills that we learn from the school.
A very good afternoon and greetings to each one of you present here. I am Ms. Reena Pujari
and I am Ms. Shaili Shah.
We both are glad to host Bant Sangha's S.M. Shetty High School and Junior College first inter-school event in the 25th year. The inter-school competition orator is a maiden event which is being organized on account of our institution's Silver Jubilee anniversary.
We welcome you all, Bant Sangha's S.M. Shetty High School and Junior College. A special welcome goes out to all the teachers and students of all the schools participating in this competition. We are extremely happy to have you here with us today.
As we enter into the 25th year of the inception, we take pride to announce that the Inter-School Oratorical Contest Orator will be organized every year with more zeal, enthusiasm, and with the same prizes and accolades. We have successfully completed the first round of the competition today, and we hope the participants and the judges had a wonderful experience with us. To initiate this positive and thrilling venture further, let's invoke the presence of the Almighty in our midst to bless us and guide us with the school prayer. Tribute to Goddess Saraswati, I request our principal, Ms. Seema Sablok, and our vice principal, Ms. Reshma Rao, to escort all the dignitaries to kindle the lamp. While the lamp is being lit, our school choir group will chant the shlokas to fill us all with delight and gratification. Therefore worships Lord Ganesha before every katha or puja. Devotees associate the elephant head of Lord Ganesha with his wisdom. Let's witness the invocation of Lord Ganesha, the god of all beginnings, through Ganesh Vandana as a prelude to today's event.
This is a very, very proud moment for all of us here at Bansanga's SM Shetty Educational Institution. So, greetings to everyone present here. The management of Bansanga's SM Shetty Educational Institution has always been supportive and motivates extraordinary talents. We would like to present one of our students who has excelled in the field of sports and made us proud with her achievements. She is none other than Miss Apeksha Fernandez, the Golden Girl. Apeksha Fernandez, A-level students at Bansanga's SM Shetty International School and Junior College, recently participated in the 48th Junior National Aquatic Championship, which was held at the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar from 16th to 20th July 2022. She has won medals in all the 5 individual races, creating new national records in each race. 50 meters breaststroke, gold with new national record. 100 meters breaststroke, gold with new national record. 200 meters breaststroke, gold with new national record. 100 meter butterfly, gold with new national record. 200 meters medley, gold with new national record. She has also been instrumental in winning the gold in 4 into 100 meters relay and silver in 4 into 100 meters medley relay for Team Maharashtra. At the Khelo India Games 2021, Apeksha has won 5 gold medals, creating 5 national records in 200 meter butterfly gold. Apeksha is one of the few athletes who is under Government of India scheme, Target Olympic Podium scheme and Khelo India Talent with supports and trains, promising athletes for major events. She has 7 internationally won medals with 164 gold, 67 silver and 31 bronze medals earned at various swim meets across the country. Her astounding and remarkable feat has set new benchmarks for the rest of the competition in the times to come. She has truly made us so proud. Apeksha now heads to the 8th FINA World Junior Swimming Championship, which will be held from 30th August to 4th September at Lima, Peru. We wish her all the very best and our prayers and blessings go with her. I call upon our team of office bearers, along with the leader, Chairman, Mr. B.R. Shetty, and the office bearers to come up on stage and felicitate Apeksha with the check of 1.5 lakhs. We would like her mother to come up on stage. Shalit Fernandez, may we have you on stage, please? A proud mother, very proud. We have made your parents very proud along with your school, Apeksha. Thank you so much.
Vice Chairman Ratnakar Shetty and Vasant Shetty, Secretary CS Uttam Shetty, Treasurer CA Jagdish Shetty, other members of our Education Committee, principals, vice principals, today's judges, and today all participants and teachers and my dear students. Bansanga's SM Shetty educational institutions, especially board school that commenced in the year 1998, is having a year-long Silver Jubilee celebration that started on 24th June 2022 with a grand inaugural event to commemorate the success of the 25 glorious years and to spread awareness about us and our credentials in the field of education. It was decided to start an inter-school oratorical contest from this year. Today, we are proudly witnessing maiden inter-school oratorical contest of the Bansanga SM Chetty High School. From now onwards, it is going to be an annual feature of our institution. Before I talk further on oratorial contest, for the interest of the participating schools, let me speak a few words about our educational institutions. Bansanga's SM Chetty Education Complex at Powai comprises of State Board School and Junior College, a truly international school registered with Cambridge for their programs, and IB World School for the diploma programs, a degree college affiliated to University of Mumbai for their undergraduate and postgraduate programs, a PhD center affiliated to the University of Mumbai, a play school and daycare unit, and also a pre-primary teacher academy for ECCA course. Started in 1998 with mere 240 students. Today our complex houses more than 8,700 students. We are perhaps one of the first educational institutions certified for ISO 21001 2018, an ISO standard exclusively meant for educational organization. All the three core institutions under the umbrella of Bansanga are recognized by the IMC for Ramakrishna Bajaj National Quality Model. The most recent and important one was our international school winning the Ramakrishna Bajaj National Quality Performance Excellence Trophy in 2022. Our degree college is accredited with A grade from NAC right in the first attempt. Our SSC students have been excelling in the board examinations with 100% result, that is unbeaten for the last 20 years since first batch in 2003. Our schools stand best in the class ranking in various surveys. We have been receiving the Best School Award in the SWARD for the last 8 consecutive years. In a nutshell, Bansanga's SM Chetty Educational Institution have embarked on a journey of excellence in all possible fields of education and continue to strive for the best. As far as the first Silver Jubilee Inter-School Oratorial Contest is concerned, I am happy to place on record the overwhelming participation of 87 schools from all over Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Thane. We have received entries from the State Board, CBSE, ICSE, Cambridge International Schools. While most of the inter-school competitions revolve around students, we thought of providing a sound platform for expression of views from the teachers who are the real backbone of our future India.
Of the first round, who were calculating the results still while we were having our felicitation program, Miss Nidhi Chandorkar, Mr. Jose Anthony. May I request our chairman B.R. Shetty sir to acknowledge their presence and welcome them with a bouquet of flowers as a token of love and gesture. Ma'am, and sir, the planter and the monitor. Congratulations to all the finalists and all the best to the next round. Congratulations to each one of you and all the best for the next round.
A special announcement, just to keep transparency, our school has not participated in this particular competition. We have only given opportunity to the other schools to participate.
A gala event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated staff of our institution. I thank our loving teachers, the people who worked behind the scenes to make this event happen, our technical arrangement team, stage setting team, lighting arrangement team and housekeeping staff for their untiring efforts. A special mention to our respected principal, Mrs. Seema Sablok ma'am, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as a pillar of strength. Our sincere gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers for their rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without your support, children cannot achieve excellence. Finally, I thank our management for encouraging us to undertake the responsibility and providing all the support. All the best to all the teachers and students finalists once again for the last round. Best wishes to the judges. Best wishes to all the participants who could not make it to the final round. Thank you for participating and hope to see you all next year with the same energy and enthusiasm. I request the teachers of the final round to proceed to room number 105 and the students of the final round to proceed to room number 102 on the first floor for further instructions. And the participants, please note, the participation certificate needs to be collected from the registration desk and we also request you to give us your valuable feedback. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day ahead.
To just mention your name, please do not mention your school's name. Exposition of the main topic, that is the clarity of message, originality, points of interest and quotations, moral and practical application, conclusion. Speaking presentation, memorization, verbal clarity, that is enunciation, pronunciation of words, voice strength and projection. Presentation and speaking style, that is mannerism and voice modulation, use of vocabulary.
Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to take you through something that has helped me evolve over the years. And that something is my school diary. Let me read out to you the most recent page of my diary. It says, "Dear Diary, today I became the head girl of my school and I couldn't be more proud of myself. But now when I look back, I see that there are different milestones that I have achieved that has made me the kind of person I am today."
And new cultures. This is extremely important in our ever-changing world. With the amount of work that comes with virtual classes, we are also forced to learn how to manage our time. I'll be quite honest, I am not the best with time management. But we do become better at planning our busy lives, and it helps us have a better work-life balance. Our technical skills also improve, which is beneficial for our future in this increasingly computerized world.
Satisfied in himself, satisfied in his life, satisfied in his grind because he felt like he actually achieved something worthwhile. Theodore Roosevelt once said, "Far and away the best prize that life has to offer you is a chance to work hard at work worth doing." Now that was a man who truly personified.
Should I choose my hobby or be practical and choose money? These are the kinds of questions that assails us on every crossroads of life. Here comes the discipline of our childhood into play. Reasoning out with oneself not only helps to find a solution, but it also makes us eligible to take the responsibility for its consequences. Dedication is determination and perseverance.
You will have good moments in life, you will have bad moments in life. Always stay on this level. When you have good moments, don't go up, stay on this level. When you have bad moments and you hit the rock bottom of your life, don't go down, stay on this level. That, if you really listen to this advice, you won't really go into this thing called depression and jump out of buildings. So I hope, wonderful time today. I learned a lot from every participant actually. I just want to say that keep learning. Today I hope the parents and the teachers themselves learned a lot, right? I'm getting emotional to be honest because the kind of initiatives the school takes whenever I remember my teachers doing their bit whenever they are hosting any inter-school competitions, and I know the kind of mehnat they do behind the scenes. So I just want to I ask you all to give a huge round of applause for them.
Loss of words because you guys spoke so well, right? Everyone has done an amazing work. I wish all the best to you all, and let's see who's winning today. Yeah, thank you.
And I think you all will relate to that. Today is a competition, and you all are competitors. And I know how it feels to be a competitor. When I was of your age, I used to go home after a competition and I used to say, "Mummy, kya mast performance kiya maine?" And Mummy used to be, "Oh, you think you'll win?" I was like, "Yeah, everybody else is worse than me." So my mom used to think that's not how you treat a competition. The way you should treat a competition is how better you were than yourself. So I hope you all had the same approach, and I took the liberty to actually judge and write one pointers of each of your performances, where I think that was your USP. As individual performers, it was your USP. So I would tell you all, I have not written the names, so I will say according to the performers. So the first performer, I think you were the first performer, and I want to say that you literally started the competition on a very, very high and a great note. So it was a great start, and you're a very powerful speaker. So great job on that. The second speaker, I remember one line I'm going to take back of her is how she told very openly inside a school that it's so normal to cheat during an online exam. So I liked your honesty and great choice of words. Third speaker, the thing about this third speaker is a personally biased thing that I would say, that I loved how he used the storytelling format, and I think that's a great approach to any form of oration. So that's a great thing.
In the meanwhile, I would like to invite the participants of the teachers category to speak a few words. We would like to know your experience that you had in our school.
Now, when I came here, I really had a lot of doubt. I didn't know what will I speak. Oh my God, last round 5 minutes, what will I do? A lot of self-doubt, lot of things, lot of planning, executing it. But it has been a wonderful day. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the food and just about everything that you have done. Thank you for this opportunity whereby we can come and speak our heart out. We can speak on topics that are very close to our heart, and thank you. And once again I would like to say that yes, we would love to come back again next year as well, and that would be a great thing.
I would like to invite other two judges of our teachers category to speak a few words. We would like to know your experience, and our participants here also would like to hear from you. Can we have the cordless mic there, please?
I already spoke to the teachers after the event, so I don't want to say much. Like I said at that time, dealing with teachers is daunting. So the students here know. The teachers did far better than you. No, we're just saying. The teachers are always very shaky when it comes to standing in front. They can only lecture. But on the whole, I must say, it was a very good day for us. Though it was a Saturday, and I think I'm working now tomorrow. Like I was telling somebody. Students, if you give time for something, you have to compensate it for something else the next day.
Participating teachers and students from various schools, teachers and staff of our institution, good afternoon. The success of any educational institution is determined by the impact it creates in young minds, the minds that will grow to become the pioneers of their generation. When we move in the direction to find the answer to the question, such as what, why, and how, proves the fact that learning is a lifelong process. It is the curiosity that helps us to achieve our goals by unfolding our potential. It is a matter of great pride for me to see our institution growing and helping the students to quench their thirst for knowledge, wisdom, courage, and compassion. This feeling is similar to that of the parents when they see their child grow up. Embrace a good value system, seek high aspirations, and achieve more than what we ever thought was possible. Bandh Sangha, established in 1927, is a socio-cultural organization of Bandh's community of Mumbai and endeavors to promote socio-economic, cultural, and educational aspects of its members. Bandh Sangha is dedicated to the welfare of not only its own people but also the society at large. The Bandh Sangha group is a pioneer in the field of education and its foray extends back to over 5 decades. The Sangha established 2 night schools for needy children as early as in 1950. These night schools have produced thousands of excellent students, and some of them have gone on to become distinguished industrialists, bankers, lawyers, doctors, and chartered accountants. While fulfilling their responsibility towards the community, the Sangha also decided to render services to the Mumbai city in the form of returning to the city that gave everything to the Bandh's community. This is how the Bandh Sangha's essential educational institutions have evolved in Powai complex. Today we have our educational presence in Powai and Kurla with schools and colleges across boards, curricula and programs. I can proudly mention that the Bandh Sangha has already started the construction work of world-class educational complex in Borivali West IC Colony that is going to start in 2024 with CBSE and Cambridge curriculum in the campus. Our institution has stepped into the 25th year. We are ready to take on new challenges to ensure that it provides an environment of constant education and learning that makes a difference. It's a great privilege for us to host our maiden international oratorical competition 2022, and we have got overwhelming response. Thanks to all the schools who have wholeheartedly participated in this contest. Participating in this competition helps you to be more aware, understanding your strength and weakness, helps develop your confidence. We wish to see all the students and teachers of this generation to ride the road of much deserved success, exercise profound wisdom in your actions, maintain clarity of thoughts, and to feel an urge to change the world. As this contest is open for teachers also, from this platform, I would like to say that teachers, you are mentors of these youngsters. Make a promise to yourself that you will work towards ensuring every child's future being brilliant and bright. Finally, I congratulate the office bearers of Powai Education Committee managing Bandh Sangha's essential educational institutions in Powai for the thoughtful organization of the grand inter-school competition. I must acknowledge and appreciate the state board, school principals, heads, teachers and staff for overall management of this beautiful event. I am sure that participants after going out from the campus will surely have learning taken along as a permanent takeaway after the contest. Finally, I congratulate all the participants for their spirit and the winners of the contest. Thank you and all the best.
I would like to invite our next judge of the teachers category to speak a few words. We were waiting for you to speak, ma'am. We want to hear you.
It's definitely been a learning day. I think I came back to school in many more ways than just one, in spite of the fact that I came here as a judge. I just want to say 2 very quick things. There are 2 things that strike me from what's up there on the screen. The first is 25, and the second is aligned, striving for excellence every step of the way. I think these really sum up what our life is about. quality and quantity. Excellence is the balance of that, where every step of the way is a journey. That is the first step towards excellence of 25 years of a milestone celebration. And my congratulations to Chairman Sir. Thank you very much for inviting us. And of course the principal, the management, the team and all of you. Very, very wondrous 25 years of excellence. Thank you.
The most awaited results of the final round are ready. I request the dignitaries to kindly come up on the stage to give away the prizes. Along with our dignitaries, we all are holding our breath to know the winners. First, we go over the consolation prizes. So in the students category, the student who has won the consolation prize, the first consolation prize, is the second consolation prize. The winner is Nishika Nikhandi from SVDD Secondary School. So the first consolation prize is backed by Yashika Thoret from Powai English High School. And the third prize is a package of rupees 7,500, a citation and a certificate. And the third prize winner is Swananda Joshi from Vasant Vihar High position, the winner will take home the cash prize of rupees 10,000 with a citation and a certificate. And the second position in the students category goes to Radhika Mistry, Asti Nutan Academy. Now, the winner of the first position. Hold your breath with your fingers crossed. I'm excited to announce the result, final and the most awaited one. By the way, the participant bagging the first position will win a cash prize of rupees 15,000 with a citation and a certificate. And the winner is Angela Reji from Pawar Public School. So that was Miss Angela Reji from Pawar Public School, Bhandiyu branch. Congratulations. Now the winners of the teachers category. Here again we announce two consolation prizes. The second consolation prize goes to Miss Manisha Nikam from Syed GH. Prize is the consolation prize, first consolation prize, which goes to Miss Nicola Estris, Our Lady of Perpetual Success. Now the third prize, which is a package of rupees 7,500, a citation and a certificate. And the teacher who's bagged the third position is Miss Aarti Ganatra from Children's So the winner of the second position will take home the cash prize of rupees 10,000 with citation and a certificate. And the teacher who has bagged the second position is Mr. Manoj Mishra from Children's the winner of the first position. The winner will take home the cash prize of rupees 15,000 with citation and a certificate. And the teacher who has bagged the first position in this category is Miss Vinar Kothari from Dominic Savio. Shall I announce the results? Are you all ready? Any guesses? I hope you all are aware of this. Whether winner or not, the school which secures the highest score as sum total of the teacher and students category gets this award. So any guesses? The school which has bagged the trophy is... The school which has bagged the trophy is Children's Academy. Congratulations, Mr. Manoj Mishra, sir, the teachers category winner, and Zoya Sheikh from the students category winner, who is taking the rolling trophy to her school. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the participants, to all the winners. We know that few parents are out here with their children performing out here. I would like to know if there is any parent who would like to share their experiences with us. Any parent who would like to come forward and speak a few words. Voluntarily, any parent who would like to come up and share their experience.
Good evening, everyone. I am Palmira Menezes. And my daughter there, Sarah Ann Menezes. She was one of the participants here. I just heard like the 10 participants who participated. The students were extremely good. I mean, I was there, I was like, they were so flawless. And I'd like to congratulate each and every child who participated and all our winners, especially my Sarah. I love you.
Excellence is not a singular act, but a habit. You are what you do repeatedly. I feel great honor in extending thanks to all involved in this contest. We would like to express a warm gratitude to each one of you for encouraging and guiding us to organize such an eventful day. Your days of hard work were evident in your eyes. This day could indeed not have been possible without the contribution and participation of one and all. Thank you for helping us make this event a smashing success. Have a wonderful evening. Wish to see you all again with the same zeal next year. Thank you.